welcome to Rants. Today we're gonna be checking out a video compilation from 8 out of 10 cats. It's gonna be the best insults, and yes, it includes the glory hole joke. I don't know what to expect from it. I don't know what the joke is about, other than a glory hole, obviously. But yeah, let's go.
Has a master's degree in maths from Oxford University. Frankly, using her for the maths on Countdown is like using the Large Hadron Collider as a water slide. Russell's T-shirts are so tight he looks like a toddler that was granted a magic wish to be big.
Wait, I didn't hear that one. I'm gonna bring it back. But her, I've seen her before. I believe she's the one in Afterlife. Am I correct? She's the sex worker. Okay, let's go.
Using her for the maths on Countdown is like using the Large Hadron Collider as a water slide. Russell's T-shirts are so tight he looks like a toddler that was granted a magic wish to be big. Tom says he used to dress in Victorian clothing as a teenager to disguise the fact he was gay. Yeah, Tom, I'll throw him off the scent. Jonathan owns a number of exotic pets, including an iguana. Brightly coloured, with soft, leathery skin and a bulging neck, Jonathan is one of the most distinctive faces on television.
Well, very funny, Jimmy, but the iguana's dead, and you raise Dave as a joke. You are a terrible person.
He was in the magic show, yeah?
Dave.
What, how do you pronounce iguana?
Well, it had its iguana.
You did say iguana.
You can...
I preferred iguana. I thought you were getting it right. I thought you would know.
He's dead! Does it matter?
Sarah is from the northeast, and fun fact, human beings share 99.9% of our DNA with Geordies.
Wow.
I'm technically a sand dancer, so South Shields. But also,
Sand dancer?
yeah, but it sounds rubbish, doesn't it?
My hometown is Southport, and they are the Sand Grounders. Just,
Really?
Not all comedy, some of it's information.
My hometown is Lancaster, and we call ourselves Lancastrians because we don't like to take the piss.
James, where are you from, and what do they call you lot?
I'm from Kettering, and they call us Legends.
Wow. Wow.
And to obnunciate is to announce bad news. As used in the sentence, the shopkeeper obnunciated, I'm sorry, Rachel, but we only have that particular dress in a child's size.
Oh, he was in Afterlife too.
You know all about that, Jimmy.
Saves on VAT.
You should know all about that,
Provided the
Jimmy.
voice for the Postman Pat movie. I saw it and was shocked. It involved more licking, stamping and stuffing big packages into tiny slots than any film since 50 Shades of Grey.
It's also a child's icon you've just besmirched with your filth.
You were the voice of Postman Pat?
Yeah.
Did you create a backstory for him, or anything?
Yeah, because he was in a TV series before the film.
Stephen,
Oh,
who
that's
did you
smart.
take over from? Who was the voice in the telly show?
Well, a very unhappy man.
Clearly. Just wondering how he feels about it all.
Well, I look at it like Bond, really. You know, you move on, there's different Bonds, no one gets upset. There's different Pats. There's different Pats.
Same.
Idris Elba's going to be the next Postman Pat.
It's reasonable.
Before finding fame on The Daily Show in America, Michelle worked on Wall Street. So her surname is Wolf, and she used to work on Wall Street. She's just like that film, Annie. In 2016,
going that way,
John
then
became
you-
a father. Must have been amazing holding that child for the first time and thinking, wow, just 9 months ago I was sitting at home waiting for my wife to get back from her yoga retreat.
John, you are not the father.
Where would we be without Rachel
the
Riley?
postman.
Well, we could probably just move the letters board closer to Susie. It's not like she's rushed off her feet. Rachel appeared on a celebrity version of Child Genius, where she was beaten by a 12-year-old in a maths challenge. And there's me thinking dancing on Strictly would have been the most embarrassing thing in your career. Johnny
She
Vegas
looks lovely.
has show business running through his veins.
Let me
as well
get
as
that back,
dangerously
you guys.
Johnny Vegas has show business running through his veins, as well as dangerously high levels of saturated fat.
You've all come back to butter. I was mocked during the margarine years.
Your love of butter. I mean, you say you've outlived Prince and David Bowie. Who would have thought it?
Only because I'm younger.
You are?
Well, we should probably crack on with the show because, judging by Rachel's dress, she clearly has a hen do to get to.
I had quite a few hen dos this year, actually.
Did you?
One of them, I dressed up my friend as a tortoise with a penis. That was nice. Yes, there was a start. I'm really proud of that.
A tortoise with a penis?
Yeah. She loves tortoises, so we all went out.
And penises.
Well, you know, we were in Bristol.
No, your mum's going, yeah? No, fair enough, yeah.
That was a good night, actually, yeah. She really came out of her shell.
John recently became a father. John's got OCD, so the conception took a while, as soon as he turned his wife on, he had to go back and make sure he turned her off again. Rachel Riley has a degree from Oxford, and her tutors have a degree of sadness when they think about her chosen career path.
This is going way too fast. I haven't even... It's almost 5... Well, it is 5 minutes in, and this is going just flying by. And yes, that's the postman. I guess a lot of actors here.
Tutors have a degree of sadness when they think about her chosen career path. Joe lives in Brighton. He fits right in because if there's one thing the residents of Brighton love, it's a hairy bum.
Do they?
Michelle, do you know who any of us are?
No, I thought, when I saw you, I thought maybe Benedict Cumberbatch had gotten in a terrible accident.
The really hurtful thing about that is I sort of take that as a compliment. Gingerbread man.
Oh, it's a gingerbread me.
Yeah, gingerbread you. I've got a gingerbread Susie. You can eat that if you want. I mean,
Rono.
Oh, Roisin's quite pretty. Look at that. Yes.
Oh, is it edible?
Rabbit? Yeah, of course it's edible. Hang on.
I always have to ask.
Got one for John. Noel's every girl's dream if what that girl is dreaming of is a 40-something goth crow. Noel, you're pretty rock and roll, and Countdown isn't. How would you make this show kind of more kind of cool?
Don't know. The desks could be on fire or something. Different host. Probably wouldn't have the Riddler from Batman on it every week.
It's not... Yeah, you're right.
It's not what, sorry?
I've already tried to bite into it, and I really gave it a good go, and she wouldn't give.
A baby porcupine is called a porcupet. Porcupet is also a chat-up line in Newcastle. Roisin, the inedible gingerbread man, how's that going? How's that going down here?
I talked her around.
She's left of that gingerbread man?
She's literally legless.
Where would James be without comedy? Well, I imagine hanging out at a games workshop wondering what it's like to touch a girl's boob.
I'm still doing half of those things.
I'm not saying Chris Addison has weirdly long limbs, but I'm not sure whether to laugh at him or trap him under a glass and put him outside. Herkel is an old Scottish term meaning to lounge in bed all day. Hey, Scottish people, you can't lie in bed all day, unless, of course, you've given the Domino's delivery guy his own key. Rachel, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Well, in 10 years, hopefully, I'll have been working in telly for 18 years. So I'll probably be testifying against someone I've worked with.
The Brett Domino trio have an incredibly dedicated following, by which I mean they're being monitored very closely by the police.
Why are they dressed like that?
Should we respond or...?
Johnny, what was your 5?
Phone.
What, sorry?
Phone.
Tolkien typed the 1,200-page manuscript of Lord of the Rings using only 2 fingers. I bet that was bloody Mordor. Catherine, you often tweet about celebrities. If you could go on holiday with any celebrity, who would it be?
Oh my gosh, I'd probably go on holiday with you.
Excellent choice. Why me?
I mean, I think you're super fun, and I know you live a lavish lifestyle, and, like, I think you need a best friend. And we have...
You know I'm a real boy. Lee excelled at school. Sorry, Lee was expelled at school. Hypothermia is a state in which the core temperature of the body falls below 35 degrees. People who die from it include mountaineers and, during a cold snap, viewers of regular Countdown. David has that just-got-out-of-bed look if the bed was some flattened cardboard boxes in the doorway of a Curry's Digital.
You look like Dracula's less successful younger brother.
Countdown.
We'll start with a consonant, please.
Thank you, Lee.
Rachel.
M.
Vowel.
V.
Upside
Hey,
down.
It's your only job, Rachel. Susie has written 14 books all about the derivations of words and phrases. Susie, where do you get your lack of ideas from? In David's most recent book, he named a squirrel after Susie Dent. Small, wild, and with an insatiable appetite for nuts. Susie was delighted. The Oxford English Dictionary grows by over 4,000 words a year. No wonder Susie Dent's worn out. Well, that and the dogging. Susie doesn't really enjoy being famous and...
Okay, just wanted to mention, he's destroying Susie, and she doesn't seem thrilled about it. I don't know if that's her laugh, like, or she just smiles like that always. But she doesn't look like she's having a lot of fun. Look at her.
Susie doesn't really enjoy being famous and goes to great lengths to avoid being recognised. For example, when she's in her car, she wears sunglasses and a hat, so the other doggers don't know it's her. Susie Dent knows the derivations of even the rudest words and phrases. So, where does cock gobbler come from? Well, she was born in Woking, but now she lives in Oxford. That's my favourite.
You're always banging that door, aren't you?
Are you talking to Susie or me now?
He's never banging on my door, I have to say, thank goodness.
Susie has written 14 books about the derivations of
That was
words.
a good comeback.
You can find them all in your local library. Just ask for the Sleepy Go Bye-Bye section. OK, Susie, what have you been looking into recently? Other than glory holes.
There it is! Oh, I have to listen to that again.
Holes.
Oh,
Susie
man.
has written 14 books about the derivations of words, and you can find them all in your local library. Just ask for the Sleepy Go Bye-Bye section. OK, Susie, what have you been looking into recently? Other than glory holes.
Was she okay with that? What?
The most unnecessary joke.
Look at the little thing.
OK.
Oh, man.
Now, what have you been looking into recently?
No.
I think this is all the effect of my having brought these.
The thing is,
No, I've been looking into the language of doctors, which is quite interesting.
Okay.
But things like brothel sprouts.
Brothel sprouts?
Yeah, because, you know, doctors have these ridiculous names to try the black humour, sick humour, to try and, you know, keep the horrible stuff at bay. So brothel sprouts, basically genital warts. Sorry, I'm sorry
Look
to
at
bring
me.
this up. Yes, that's it, really. I'm just thinking glory hole.
Vish once went to see the film Shame with his dad, but said the graphic sex made it very awkward. Everyone in the cinema asked them to stop.
Even at the end, that was legend. I don't really know why I had been putting it like to the back of the list for a while, but this video was amazing. I would sure love. I mean, it says that this was part 8, so I guess there are 7 before. Are they more than 8? Because I would want to check them out all. I don't know. I mean, oh man, this was amazing. This was a good laugh after a hard day. Much needed. Can you guys confirm? Those were the actors from Afterlife, correct? The postman and Roxy. That was the sex worker in the series. I believe they are. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the video there for today. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember, notification bell so that you receive alerts every time a new video pops up. And that's gonna be all for today. Have a good one.